The cook-to-off 3-button programmable timer is a simple way to control clock, timer, and cooking end time. The function button in the middle switches between the two modes, minute minder and duration. The two outer buttons, plus and minus, adjust the time or duration. Setting the time. We first need to set the clock time by pressing the two adjustment buttons together. Then adjust to the correct time using the plus or minus buttons. Finally, press the function button to set the time. And that's it. The time is now correctly set. Minute minder. The clock can be set as a countdown minute minder for timed cooking. To set the minute minder, press the function button once. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the length of time required, and wait 5 seconds for the timer to set. And that's it. The minute minder is now set to go off in 20 minutes. To set duration, press the function button twice. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the length of time you want to cook for. Then wait for the timer to set. And that's it. The oven will now turn itself off in 30 minutes.